The Whirlpool washer OL error code indicates that the machine has an overload problem, which can be caused by a large load, a faulty spin shaft, or a blocked drainage or pump. To fix this issue, start by addressing the possibility of a large load. Pause the wash cycle, remove some items from the drum, and check the user manual for the recommended weight limit per load. Then, restart the cycle. If the problem persists, inspect the spin shaft by unplugging the washer, removing the side and back panels, and checking for damage. Replace the shaft if necessary. Reassemble the machine, and power it back up. Another potential solution is to inspect the drain pipe and pump. Power off the machine, remove the back panel, disconnect the drain system, and check for clogs. Remove any blockages and wash the pipe with hot water before reassembling the parts and powering up the washer. If none of these solutions work, it may be necessary to contact a professional for further guidance.